Okay, I'm going to try to give you the full Chromebook experience here. So what we're going to be doing is talking about two of the most used features that our students may need. And the first is being able to use their voice in order to write their papers or anything like that. So what they need to do is go to, let's just see here, Tools, and then they're going to go down to Voice Typing. And then they're going to get this handy little microphone. I'll move it over so you can see it a little better here. Microphone. And then it tells you what to do. Oh, do you want Google Docs to use your microphone? Of course, because that's what I'm trying to do. And I apparently clicked it on. And now I can talk and it will show up on the Google Doc, period. If you have ever used voice dictation in your phone, you'll know that it will make errors as it goes along, period. The students will need to go back and fix those errors, period. It is also important that they speak very slowly and clearly and speak their punctuation. Exclamation mark. And then I hit that button again and you'll see it's not perfect. Oops, I don't want to restart here. It's not perfect. You know, it's okay. It's not terrible though. If I'm having a really hard time with touch typing, then this would be a really, helpful tool. So the other thing that some students need is for the computer to then talk back what they just wrote. So there are a couple of things that you got to check for this one. The first is you want to go to Tools, you want to go to Accessibility Settings, make sure that you have on Screen Reader. Now on Chromebooks, there's another thing to do as well. So it's way down here. If you can, let me move my camera a little. It's down here. And it's on mine, it says ITL #1, a little, Wi-Fi signal, etc. So I'm going to click on that #1. I'm going to go here, I see accessibility. And if you don't see accessibility, then you got to play around in the settings to show accessibility. And then select to speak is on, that's good. I'm also going to turn on Chromebook. And what that's going to do, and dictation is going to be super helpful too, right?
Chromebook spoken feedback is ready.
Okay.
Document details button.
So now it's going to
Search
speak what is on the screen.
Voice typing turned off. That's what I'm trying to do and I apparently clicked it on and now I can. That's what I'm trying to do and I apparently
So it's a little annoying.
Selected.
It's not perfect.
On the Google Doc. If you have ever used B. Selected.
Okay, and it will tell you what you selected.
In your phone, you'll know that it will make errors as it goes along. The students will need to go back and fix those errors. It is also important that they speak very slowly and clearly and speak their punctuation. Selected.
Okay, so it's showing you what is selected here. And then, because that gets really, you don't want it all the time, now you can go back and be like, okay, I'm all done with Chromebook, the end, and click it off. But these are just two of the tools that are totally free on Google that your students can use whenever they're on a Google Doc or anything within Google Suite.